In a jungle full of monkeys, bananas are everything. One day, a monkey sees another monkey sitting quietly, doing nothing, yet eating piles of bananas. The monkey thinks, that looks easy. That's exactly how Shopify looks on the internet. Easy money, passive income. Work once, get paid forever. But what you don't see is what it really costs to get those bananas. Meet Max the monkey. Max works hard every day. He climbs trees, he searches for bananas. He's tired. One night, Max hears other monkeys talking. That monkey has a Shopify store. He makes bananas while sleeping. No boss, no stress. Max's eyes light up. He thinks, if that monkey can do it, so can I. Max decides, I'm starting Shopify. Max believes Shopify is a banana machine. Put in 1 banana, get 10 bananas back. So Max builds a banana shop, but immediately reality shows up. First, Max needs a place for the shop, tools to build it. Time to learn how it works. Then, where do the bananas come from? How does he keep them fresh? Why should other monkeys buy from him? Nobody told Max this. They only showed him monkeys eating bananas. Max opens his banana shop. He waits. No monkeys come. So Max shouts, best bananas in the jungle. Still nothing. Then Max spends bananas to tell other monkeys about his shop. A few come. One buys bananas. Max feels happy, but later, the monkey complains. The bananas arrived late. They're not fresh. I want my bananas back. Refund. Max loses bananas. He loses time. He loses confidence. Max sits alone in his shop thinking, this doesn't feel like easy money. This feels like pressure. Let's slow this down and explain Shopify like you're 9. Shopify is not a banana tree. Shopify is just a stall. If you open a banana stall in real life, do bananas magically appear? Do monkeys automatically trust you? Do problems disappear? No, you still have to. Find good bananas, store them properly. Talk to customers, fix mistakes, handle complaints. Shopify works the same way. Shopify doesn't make money. People using it do. Max finally understands the truth. Shopify is not easy money. Because business is not easy. To succeed, Max has to learn which bananas monkeys actually want. Understand why monkeys buy. Spend bananas on marketing before earning them back. Handle losses without quitting. Work when nobody is watching. The monkeys online never showed this part. They showed results, not the process. They showed bananas, not the work behind them. Here's the real lesson. Shopify is not a scam, but it is not magic. The real scam is the idea of easy money. Easy money makes monkeys lazy. Lazy monkeys lose bananas. Shopify rewards skill, patience, problem solving, discipline, not hope, not shortcuts, not dreams. If you treat Shopify like a slot machine, it will empty your wallet. If you treat it like a business, it can change your life. Before you start Shopify, ask yourself, am I looking for easy bananas or am I willing to build a real banana business? Because Shopify doesn't give you bananas, it gives you a chance, and chances only pay off when you work for them. Subscribe for money explained simply, before the jungle teaches you the hard way.